addition of fractions. In that first part is a fraction and integer. So basic, everybody you know about the integers. Integers from the minus infinite to plus infinite. So here I am taking the first basics one, that is 0. So 1 by 2 plus 0. Here what I want to do, first I want to make it denominator is a 1. So next 1 by 2 plus 0 into 2 into 2 means if I multiply and divided by the same number, there is no change. So now 1 by 2 plus this 0 by 2. So when the denominators are equal, then I can add the numerator. So answer is 1 by 2. Actually everybody you know that if we add the 0 to any number, that number itself it will come. Okay. So next one, for the same 1 by 2 plus I am adding the 1. What I am doing? 1. So here also can I keep 1 by 1? Means a denominator, if I keep the 1, there is a no change. In a second step, I am multiplying second fraction by 2 and multiplying denominator and numerator by the 2. So now it will become 1 by 2 plus this is 2 by 2. Now denominators are equal, so then we can write the same. Only numerators we want to add. Only numerators we want to add. 1 plus 2 is a 3. 3 by 2. This is a one way and easy way. And the next one is I am adding same 1 by 2 only, but this time I am adding minus 1. What I am doing? I am adding minus 1. So for that, same here also in the same case I am keeping this by 1. So now 1 by 2, everybody you know that plus this half means into, plus into minus minus. So this is a 1 by 1. So to make the denominator equal, I am multiplying by 2 and here also by 2. So now it will become 1 by 2 minus 2 by 2. Now denominators are equal, so then I can write numerators addition. See, plus this here the minus symbol is there, minus 2. Now it becomes 1 minus 2 by 2. It leads minus 1 by 2. Got an idea, children? Next I take in the 3 examples. See, in IIT they won't ask that much easy question, but they will ask the results. By seeing the question only, you should able to give the answer very in a short, means in a short duration only you should give the answer. Suppose here I taken the different 3 examples. Once everybody check here. Here I taken first one is a proper fraction and improper means mixed fraction. Here I taken a proper fraction and this one is a improper fraction. Here I taken a proper fraction and this one is a proper fraction. I think you can guess, suppose if I add the proper fraction and improper fraction, what will be the resultant? The resultant answer will be more than 1. If I add that proper fraction and once again the proper fraction, what is the result? Once we will check it by doing. Here, see 2 by 3. Everybody you know this. Conversion of a mixed fraction into improper fraction. See here, this is into, this is plus. means 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is a 3. 3 plus 2, it's a 5. And the denominator the same. So now it's a very easy because the denominators are equal. So simply I am adding the numerator. So now it will become 7 by 3. So first itself I said by seeing the question, one proper fraction and one is an improper fraction. The resultant is a improper fraction. I think you can check very clearly. So here same. Here this is a proper fraction. This is an improper fraction. Answer is a improper fraction. See here 5 by 7 and 3 by 2. That make our rule is make the denominator equal. But here the two are the different. So simple. You can take as like you can take the LCM one. Otherwise, first fraction multiplied by 2 and divided by 2 plus second fraction multiplied by 7, because here the denominator is 2, so that's why I am multiplying the first fraction by the 2 and divided by the 2. For the second fraction, here the denominator is 7 now. So see here the 7. So I am multiplying and dividing by the 7. See, now it becomes 14 and 5 2s are 10. And here it becomes 21. 3 7s are 21 and 14. So, see, now denominators same. So, I can write only single time. When the denominators are the same, then you should write only single time. But numerators you can add. So, this one I explained in a fraction in a pictorial form. Otherwise, you can observe that once again the video, then you will get an idea why we are writing the denominator is same. So, 10 plus 21, it leads 31 by 14. See, it's an improper fraction. By seeing the question only I said it is a improper fraction. Now, here the two proper fractions. Once you check it, see 7 by 11 and 5 by 11. Okay, according to our rule, so here the both denominators are same, so I can write directly. So now 7 plus 5, so that's 12 by 11. But check it here, 12 by 11 is a proper fraction or improper fraction? Improper fraction, because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So dear children, here I given homework. See, once you observe 1 to 8 questions I given. For the looking all are the same, and it's a very easy only. Using your technique you can do the answer. But all the answers you will get the different. Yeah. Next example I taken as like this addition and means both operations it came in only one problem. This 3 by 5 plus 2 by 10 minus 1 by 2. So our rule is first denominators we want to make equal. But in a previous problems only two terms is there. So that's why what we done, the denominator of the second term we taken and we multiplied and divided by the first fraction. And for the second fraction, what we done? We taken the denominator of the first one and we multiplied and divided by the fraction. But here the little bit problem will raise, because we cannot take as like suppose if I multiplied by the 5 by this and 10 by then this will be remains. So to avoid that problem, what we want to do here, first we want to make it a LCM. See here LCM is 5, 10, 2. To get this, first we want to do from the 2 onwards. So with the 2 it won't go. So then we want to write the same number as it is. Some people they will write here the 1. You should not write. So when any number is not going, then you should write this number as it is here. So next 2 5s, next 2 1s. See 2 5 is a 10. 2 1s a means LCM means what we are doing here, least common multiple, means we are taking out the least common multiple from here. So now here by seeing this next number is the 5, so 5 1s a 5 1s a, so LCM is 2 into 5, then it is a 10. So now what we want to do, we want to make it the denominator 10. Okay, here some people they can use the direct method also, otherwise after making the denominator equal also you can add or the subtract. So I am going for the second method. I want to make it the denominator 10. So here 3 by 5. When 5 will become a 10? When I multiplied by 2. So if I multiplied by only downside 2, then it won't satisfy because the value it will change. So that's why I am multiplying by the numerator denominator, because if I cut this 2, then you will get once again the 3 by 5. So plus. So here no need to change because already it is a 10. Yes. So next one is 1 by 2. So when the 2 will become a 10. So if I multiplied by the 5. So if I only multiplied by the 5 denominator, is it enough? No, we should multiply in a numerator also. Then only 5 cancel. Once again we will get the same number. So now here it's a 6 by 10. It's a 2 by 10. It's a 5 by 10. Now see here all the denominators are equal now. So then I can write only singleton. So now numerator same. Here the plus sign is there. So write plus. Here the minus sign is there. So you should write here the minus only. Got an idea? When the minus sign is there, you should write the minus. When the sign is plus, then you should write the plus. So according to the board mass, first what we want to do? Board mass. So see, B means brackets, O means operation, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition. See, first addition, 6 plus 2 is a 8 minus 5. See, last one is a subtraction. So that is 8 minus 5 is a 3 by 10. This is a answer. This is a one way of doing. So I will explain the same problem for in a different way. Once everybody observe here, 3 by 5 plus 2 by 10 minus 1 by 2. I think everybody you know that same problem now. So LCM can I take directly? LCM is a 10. LCM is a 10. So now first denominator is there na, this denominator. Denominator into what number will become a 10 na, that number you should write there. Okay. So denominator is 5. 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10 into upside 3. Then this plus sign will come here. Plus. Now here 10 is there. 10 into what will become a 10? 10 1s are 10. 10 1s are 10 into this upside numerator. And here the sign is minus. So bring that sign minus. And 2. By the 2 table 10 when we'll get 2 5s are 10 into upside the numerator 1. See here what we got, same here also we are getting. See 3 into 2. 2 into 3. 2, 2, 5. 5 into 1. Got an idea? So now 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 5 1s are 5. Denominator is a 10. So now 6 plus 2 is a 8 minus 5. So then divided by 10. Now 8 minus 5 is a 3 by 10. It's a answer. I think everybody got an idea between the two methods. Is there any doubt? No, na? Okay, I'll go for the next method. Multiplication of fractions. So first we'll check the basic one. Means here. So 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into 1. So in a multiplication, one thing you want to remember. So here 1 is there. So I can write divided by 1. So there is a no change. So numerator only you want to multiply. Denominator only. So 2 ones are 2. So before going for this, I'll make one sub formula. Suppose A by B is there. A by B into C. So what we want to do? We want to write C A by B into C by 1. Because any number by the 1, there is a no change. Okay. So now see numerator only you want to do into. And denominator only you want to do into. So A into C, AC. B into 1, B. See, same thing I done here. 1 by 2 into 1. So 1 by 1. So 1 into 1, 1 into. So everybody note down. Means make it this one as a key point. So what I am giving this all on a board, you must and should write it in your notes. See, these all the things it will useful for your entire life. Okay. See, some case, suppose A by B is there into C by D. Means a fraction is multiplied by the another fraction. So now I will do here. See, A into C by B into D. So answer become AC by BD. Got an idea? In case in a fraction also sometimes they will give that mixed fraction. So mixed fraction you should convert into the improper fraction, then you can do. So these two are the basic principles we'll say. I think everybody got an idea about this. So I'll go for example. So next one is second one. See, I am taking that 5 by 8 into 7 by 3. So what I want to do here, see, 5 into 7 by 8 into 3. And in case if it possible to cut the numerator and denominator, means if you are able to take the same number as a common in the numerator and denominator, we can cancel. Otherwise, no. See, from here I cannot take anything common. So now I can write as like answer is 5 7s are 35 and 8 3s are 24. So if it possible by any one table to cancel, then you can cancelize. So next one is, so 6 by 7, and here I am taking the 2, and here I am taking a 5. Okay, little bit I taken differently. So now see, 6 into 5, denominator 7 into 2. In multiplication, what we'll do? Numerator only will multiply, denominator only will multiply. So here some people they will do directly, and after getting the multiplication also you can cancel. But in our IIT we want to save the time. Okay, so here there is a chance to the cut, because denominator, see here the 2 is there, 6 I can write 3 into 2. Can I write? By 7 into 2. 2 cancel. So 3 5s are 15 by 7 is the answer. Yeah? Got it the answer? Once observe here, I taken the 2 more examples. See here the negative fraction and positive fraction. Here the both are the positive fractions. So answer you can guess. So when the single sign means 1 minus is there, means we can you will get the negative number, and the 2 minus is there, means you will get the positive number. This one also I explained in my previous first video. So we'll go for that. We'll do, see, 15 into 2 and minus 1 into 3. If there is possible to cut, otherwise cutting indirectly we are taking the common and we are cancellation. See, in the numerator 3 is there. See, in denominator I am writing this 15 into, can I write 3 into 5? 3 into 5 is 15 into 2. Is there any change? So means just I am taking the common. So now can I cut 3? Now upside 3 cut means 1 is there. So 1 into 1 is minus 1 by 5 2s are 10. I think very easy. So now here, so I am taking 21 into 3, upside minus 9 into minus 7. So we'll apply that minus afterwards. First we'll check it. See, from the 9, see, minus 9, can I write 3 into 3? Minus 7 as it is. Since 21, I can write 7 into 3. See, now I can cut 3 ones, 3 ones. Got an idea? And see, 7 ones and 7 ones. So more is there. There's 3 ones, 3 ones. Now upside, see, minus into minus, it's a plus. So all ones only, and the denominator is all ones only. Finally, you can write answer is 1. So after practicing, you can do this one directly. No need for this much. See, I will show here 9 by 21 into 7 by 3. See, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 3 ones are 3 ones are, minus into minus become plus. So this is 1 by 1. Answer is 1. Means until you get an idea, you should go for the method. After getting an idea, you can go for the direct method. Division of fractions. So I will make first a general principle, then we'll go for the problem. Suppose if I take the two fractions, that's the a by b divided by c by d. We say this one as a formula. Okay. So a by b divided by c. Here a by b you should write as it is. Division symbol is there na. Division afterwards one means this one. What we want to write? We want to write the reciprocal of that one, because we are changing the division symbol. So here I am writing that into this will become a d by c. So now a into d by b into c. Now ad by bc. But in the multiplication what we got? AC by BD. Now what we got? AD by BC. Everybody must and should observe. I think you got an idea about this. What we want to do? Division afterwards. What is the one? That one we want to make it a reciprocal. So I'll take one more example here. See, A by B. Only C is there. Only C. So now what we want to write? C divided by no na. So now A by B. Division, instead of division, what I want to keep? Into symbol. Then I want to write reciprocal. So this reciprocal is what? 1 by C. So now A into 1 by B into C. Now it will become A by BC. So this is the one case. So now I will take another case. Okay. Suppose first only that integer, afterwards a fraction. So reverse case. Okay. It's a third one. See now, can I keep divided by 1? If any integer by the 1, there is no change in its value. So now a by 1. Here you want to remember, some people what they will do now, when it will come as like that time they will do this one reverse. 1 by 8. It's wrong entirely. So our rule is only division afterwards. Next one for the division that for our hand it's a right side one. For the division right side one, what is there? That one we want to make it a reciprocal. See here the into division symbol become as a into. Now C by B. Now it's a AC A into C by 1 into B. Now it becomes a AC by B. I think everybody got an idea. The three principles, I taken the three examples different. Once you observe, so we'll do very fastly. See 2 by 5. Instead of division, what? Into. This what we want to do? Reciprocal. Reciprocal means 7 by 3. So next what we want to do? So numerator only 2 into 7, 9 to 5 into 3. It becomes 14 by 15. See here it's 11 by 7. So what we want to do? We want to make it that 5 by 1. So division after division is symbol is into, and we want to write that one as a reciprocal. So now, so 11 into 1 by 7 into 5. It's 11 by 35. See here. So I am writing here 1. So 13 by 1 into. So division afterwards number we want to make it the reciprocal. So now it will become so 13 into 2. 13 into 2 is how much? 13 2 is For the same three principles I taken here three examples. You can observe. See here the first two fractions I am doing a division. Here the one fraction by the one integer. Here an integer by the fraction. So here see very easy. 2 by 5. Division means into, and reciprocal 7 by 3. So now 2 7s are 14 and 5 3s are 15. So answer is 14 by 15. So now here, so 11 by 7. Division afterwards number we want to make it reciprocal. See, division means into, reciprocal is 1 by 5. Now it will become 11 into 1 by 7 into 5. It's 11 by 35. Now here the 13. So see 13 into this 2 by 1. So 13 2s are 26 by 1. Answer is 26. How easy? Suppose if you practice as like then just by seeing the question you can give the answer. So those who don't know these techniques means maths is totally depend upon only technique. How many days you will by heart, otherwise how many days you will read, otherwise how many days just you will only going upside, then it won't come. But if you follow the technique, then you will get maths very easily. Okay.